Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Jaji, and in this video I will be doing an apartment tour. It's been a while since I've recorded a video and I'm just gonna jump right in. So I will be moving soon to where I'm not sure yet. It's stressful, but we're gonna just move on. I've been in my current place for a little bit less than a year and I want to show you around. So I'm currently sitting in my living room and I'm just gonna start from the living room and move up and on. I used to share the space with a roommate, so I won't be showing you what was her space. My phone has this option called Director's View, and so I'm going to be showing you around like this. Behind me was my roommate's space, so we're just going to move on in forward. So as you walk up, this is the door, and to your right we have the living room, which I kind of made like my little reading nook, like cozy space under the stairs. This table was my roommate's. She's just left it here so far. And I have this couch, which is like basically a twin size bed in size. And I have this bench, which I love. It's holding like board games and like, I don't know, just like random stuff. I have some coffee table books. I have one of my plants. Love her. And I also have, it's hard to like figure out the angles while I'm trying to look at two different things. I also have this little area where I have like some just random decor items. So I have some books tucked over here. I have little figures over here, a Lego Harry Potter set that I made in a TV that I never use, and a speaker. And I have this ring light, which I was using to film the intro, but I keep it there for lighting. As we move up, we have my kitchen island, which is a bit far from the kitchen. These spaces are nothing special, so we're just going to move on. And upstairs. So upstairs is where I stay. So I still have some Halloween decorations up because why wouldn't I? So as we move up, there's an overhead light at the top of the stairs, and I have this like grid thing that I got from IKEA, and it has a bunch of accessories. So it has like tote bags, hats, scarves, belts. It used to be up here, but it fell, so I just put one of my old Halloween decorations up here instead. Classic Jack Skellington. And then as we back up, hi, there's me. There is a shoe rack with a mirror on top. This is like all of my shoes. Yeah, I like it. It's very telling of my style, and I like this mirror that I got. I got this mirror and these shoe racks from like the same person. She didn't need them, and I got them for free. Love that. This is my closet. Nothing special really. And then as we turn around, this is my bedroom. I also have this lamp here just to light up the closet because the overhead light doesn't really reach this far. So as we walk in, you can hear some sound because my windows are open, so sorry. So as you walk in, you can see that I have a balcony over here. There's the door, and I have like my desk set up. Some very like basic art on the wall, my bed of course, and over here from this angle, this is where I get ready in the morning. So I have another piece of that couch. It's a modular couch, so I can put all three pieces together or apart, and I just have this area where I get ready in the morning. So yeah, on that little cart we have like makeup, skincare products, as well as hair items. This lamp's connected to the speaker downstairs because they're both speakers, and they're both like IKEA Sonos speakers, so I can play music across both of them, and both floors have the same music playing. I have this mirror for when I'm getting ready, and then I have this space over here, which is where I do typically some morning yoga. Lately I have been doing some morning Pilates, which is different. I have these like photos framing the doorway. These are all like landscape, and I really like it. I did it like the first week I moved in, and here is my bathroom. Nothing special, but I do have like a bit of a bamboo theme going on. And my favorite part of my bathroom is my plant windowsill. I typically keep one plant here, but she's outside just to get a bit more sun, which is weird because I used to keep her over here on the sill, but she got burnt. So I'm trying to figure out proper lighting, which doesn't really matter because I'll be moving soon, but for now, here are my plants. And then I have one more out, well, two more outside actually, because I have one visiting. So this is my balcony. Again, more of a bamboo theme. I'm putting on my outdoor Crocs. Over here, I have a fern. She's a hanging fern, and I used to hang her on the rail, but one side of her would always get a little bit dry. This is the plant that I typically keep inside, but she needs a bit more sun. And I have this set from IKEA just for whenever I want to sit outside. And yeah, that is my apartment. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about anything you've seen here. Yeah, my bookshelf, I'm not going to keep that. Like, everything will be very different when I move. So yeah, this is how it is for now. So I just have fans. If you notice, there's no ACs, just fans, which has been interesting this very hot summer. And that is all for me. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This apartment tour as I'm leaving and trying to move out. I say trying because I don't know where I'm moving yet, but I hope it works. I believe it will work out. I'm just stressed. But yeah, I hope you liked it. I hope you're excited to see what I do with my new place. This is the beginning of a series. This is like going to be my adulting series and just being an adult and like the things you have to do to be a functioning adult in the society, one of which is moving. So fun, so lovely. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for viewing. Like, comment. If you have any questions about the things that I showed in this video, please do drop it below in the comments. I'll be happy to respond. And yeah, stick around if you want to see more from me. Thanks, bye! Through all of that stress of finding a new place, my patience was definitely worth it as I found this glorious, large studio apartment in a pre-war building with so much character and so much space for me to grow. It makes me exceptionally happy. Please stick around to see how I have been and will continue to decorate this place.